Positively Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My James Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so dito tayo sa Pampangas, San Fernando. Galing tayo Robinsons. I coach one student on how to earn money. Okay? So, ayos naman. Hello sa'yo. Thank you very much. Ang mother niya po ay OFW na pinacoach yung anak niya. Okay? So, if you want to do the same, yung family mo dito gusto mong ipa-coach, so tawagan mo lang ako sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga, or FB account, Gigi Sunga, or 0939-5254-311. Okay, so, ulitin ko po yung aking vlog sa 3 types of savings kasi medyo marami nagalit kasi marami akong ads. I mean, marami akong advert announcement. So, wala na tayong announcement. 3 types of savings by Francisco Colayco. Hello, sir. First is, you have to save for use. Nagsisave tayo para gamitin natin saan? So, ang isang part ng iyong saving ay for use. For example, gusto mong mag-travel. Like, this December, I save money. Nag-travel ako, El Nido, Vitalis. Hindi pala El Nido. Yeah, El Nido, Palawan, and Vitalis, Ilocos Sur, okay? So, that's one. Or you want to save because you want to buy something. You want to buy your own car, ng pang down, diba? You have to save. Or you want to buy one gadget, diba? So, you are saving money for that. For example, you want to renovate your house or you want to buy flat screen TV, you want to buy bigger ref, you want to buy bigger bed. So, anything na gusto mong paggamitan, you have to save first. So, save for use. Second type of saving, save to make money. So, ito yung nagsisave ka para mag-earn pa ng money. So, like, you're going to use that money, savings mo, para sa investment. Kaya nga meron tayong 500 peso challenge, di ba? So, lahat ng mga makasave ng 500. So, hello po, marami na nag-message sa atin. Ang gawin mo, mag-save ka ng 500 every month. After 10 months, meron kang 5,000. Start mo na yung investment mo, mutual funds, pwede. Alright? Pwede din sa Sun Life, okay? Alright, so, yan, or you want to start your own business. Pwede kang magsimula ng t-shirt printing, bigasan, sari-sari store, o maliit na online business, di ba? So, you are saving money to make more money, okay? Third type of saving is, you're saving money because you want to help other people. You want to do your mission in life. You want to do your ministry, alright? So, you save money for that. Meron kang gustong tulungan at December, may foundation kang tutulungan, feeding program, anything that you want to help other people. Gusto mo mag-sponsor ng mga nag-aaral, mga OFW na marami ng pera, gusto mo magpaaral ng mga kamag-anak, kapitbahay. So, eto na, paggawa mo ng mission. Alright? So, yan ang 3 types of savings. Kahit alin dyan, sa talo na yan, start right now. Alright? Okay, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, OFW, kahit dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. And let's go, let's go.